Google or Facebook or YouTube that. And this is the second video. We did a before video this morning. We had to do paint restoration on this one, especially for this part. It was terrible. But anyway, it's fixed now. Did both packages on here. Turned out really good. Owner is very happy. Very satisfied. Hey, John. Oh, thank you. Just give me 5 more minutes.
Yeah, you can have all the time you want.
I bet you. Well, I got to get to church. I wish I could spend more time, but let's see. Back here, got this nice and clean. As you can see, it's a lot better now. Oh, thank you. Thanks. Oh yeah, I gotta wipe that off of there. Restored. Looks good. This I'll wipe that dirt off the back bumper there. Well, yeah. And you guys have a great day.